What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pasta alla norcina. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need Italian sausage, rigatoni noodles, garlic, shallot, yellow onion, Pecorino Romano cheese, heavy whipping cream, dry white wine, olive oil, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Begin by thinly slicing 3 cloves of garlic. Dice a half a yellow onion. Dice a shallot. Shred Pecorino Romano cheese. Remove 3 Italian sausages from its casing and break apart. Throw your pasta into a pot of salted boiling water and cook until al dente. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a skillet over medium-high heat. Place your Italian sausage in the skillet and cook for 6 to 7 minutes or until brown. Once browned, add onions and shallot and cook for 2 minutes. Add garlic, deglaze the pan with a half cup of dry white wine. Reduce the wine till almost gone, then add 1½ cup of heavy whipping cream and reduce the heat to a light simmer. Season the taste with salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. Add a ladle of pasta water. Lower the heat and sprinkle in Pecorino Romano. Your sauce should have a thick and creamy consistency. Add your pasta and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Plate and top with Pecorino Romano and red pepper flakes. And there you have it, pasta alla norcina. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know
Them MFers be cooking.